recently just picked up the new E.L.F. liquid glitter eyeshadows. If you guys saw my Ulta haul, there was so many shades and I didn't know like which one to pick. This one looks like go with everything. So this is what it looks like. This is like the Stila liquid eyeshadows. This one is called the Flirty Birdy. I believe this retails for $5. Get 0.1 ounce. It says get an amped up eye look with one swipe glitter coverage, formulated for comfortable wear and minimal fallout. This long-lasting opaque liquid eyeshadow delivers high-impact multi-dimensional glitters and pearls in a quick-drying gel base. So I'm going to do a swatch, and I'm also going to insert like a little clip of me putting it on. It is what I have on today. Can you look at that? That is so gorgeous, and I have some thoughts to tell you. Do a swatch really quick. This is what it looks like, exactly the same applicator as you would see in the Stila ones, which I've done many videos on. I don't know what to say. Like, this is so pigmented. It's not like you do a swipe and like, oh, you can't even see it. The only thing I will say is when you put it on, like I saw some was like in the eyeliner and stuff. I didn't use anything else with glitter, and I see like some glitter on my face, so keep that in mind. I haven't experienced that with the Stila ones, but you don't need glue with this. It's so easy and you get a super glam look. I created this look using this Flirty Birdy for the first time, and I'm so happy I did, because I was trying to create like something really nice and easy and glam. It doesn't feel sticky on the eyes, like nothing. You don't even feel it on. If you've tried it and you're as obsessed as me, they have so many beautiful shades. I want to try them all. Gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.